Hi everyone, let's talk comfort food. You know, the kind that warms you from the inside out? Chicken and dumplings are just that. Imagine tender chicken, a creamy broth, and fluffy dumplings. It's pure wonder on a chilly evening. Let's get cooking. This recipe is like a warm hug on a plate. It's simple to make but so satisfying. Whether it's a family dinner or a cozy night in, this dish always hits the spot. Get ready for happy tummies and warm hearts. Before we start, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, we're using simple pantry staples. For the chicken, you'll need about 3 pounds of bone-in chicken pieces. I like to use a mix of thighs and drumsticks for extra flavor. Next, grab your aromatics. 1 chopped onion, 2 celery stalks, diced, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. We'll use chicken broth for our base, about 8 cups. And for those fluffy dumplings, you'll need all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, milk, and a little melted butter. First, we'll cook the chicken. In a large pot or Dutch oven, brown the chicken pieces in a little oil. This adds so much flavor. Once the chicken is golden, remove it from the pot and set it aside. Now, add the onion, celery, and garlic to the pot. Cook them until they're soft and fragrant. This is where the flavor explosion starts. Pour in the chicken broth and bring it to a boil. Add the chicken back in, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. While the chicken simmers, let's make the dumplings. In a bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, and salt. Slowly stir in the milk and melted butter until you have a soft dough. Drop spoonfuls of the dough onto the simmering chicken mixture. Cover the pot and let the dumplings cook for about 20 minutes. Once the dumplings are cooked through, they'll be puffy and golden. Ladle this comforting goodness into bowls and serve it up. You can garnish with fresh parsley or a sprinkle of black pepper if you like. This recipe is all about warmth, comfort, and sharing a delicious meal with loved ones. Don't be afraid to get creative. You can add different herbs and spices to the broth, or even throw in some frozen peas and carrots for extra veggies. Most importantly, have fun with it and enjoy every bite.